Hi, my name is Nathan Suazo, and today I'm going to show you how to install a vanity.
So these are the tools we're going to need to install the vanity. You need a cordless drill, a 2-foot level, some shims, 3-inch cabinet screws, stud finder, and a tape measure. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to adjust the cabinet to the wall. In this particular case, we're going to go 4 inches off the side wall. So we got our 4 inches here. So we're good to go. So now we're going to level the cabinet before we mount it. And we're going to check the back. It's out just a little bit. And then we're going to check the side. And that's pretty close. Okay, so now we're going to shim the cabinet. And let's just see how that works with our level. And now it's level. So now that we've leveled the cabinet, we want to find the studs so we can mount the vanity. We're going to use the Stud Buddy to help us find where the studs are. This is a great little stud finder because it just finds the drywall screws or the drywall nails. It's pretty accurate. There's another one. So we'll go here. There's the one we just got. There's another one. Perfect. I want to use 3. Don't go too high. So now we can mount to these studs that are right here. Okay, now we're going to mount the cabinet. We got these 3-inch screws. We're just going to put one in the top. Okay, perfect. We got that in. Now one more. Okay. And then we'll do that to the other 2 studs that are left. Just a little bit of force. Okay, so now we'll check the sturdiness of the cabinet. Seems pretty solid. And also double check the levelness, which we're good to go. So now we can put the faucet on.